Today's been fantastic. We've had an amazing turnout. Over 120 people have attended the conference today. There's a very positive buzz in the room, and I'm really pleased with the way it's going.
Excellent training is absolutely fundamental to excellent patient care. And patient care and training go hand in hand.
It's really nice to be in a room full of enthusiastic trainers who are passionate about training, and it's very heartening as a trainee organisation to hear the commitment of trainers in FST to training.
There is time for training. What do I get out of it? I get a lot of reward. You give, you get. I get a lot from the trainees.
A vitally important part of this is to look after, support and develop trainers. There's only so many out there. We've got to value them, got to look after them, develop them and support them, and then give them time to do what they're good at.
So the UK and Ireland have one of the most well-recognised training programmes in the world and has a long tradition of producing excellent high-quality surgeons.
I've really enjoyed it today. It's been really interesting. I think generally morale has been a bit low amongst junior doctors recently, but coming to a conference like this and seeing how enthused seniors are about training and the changing landscape is really exciting.
Your biggest asset in any hospital is your staff. The fact that you are a good training organisation attracts other consultants to come and work for you. Either people who know that you treated them well as a junior and trained them well, or actually they will come because the reputation of your organisation is one that values training.
If you're interested in training, this is the place to be, because this is where it definitely is happening.
The Faculty of Surgical Trainers needs interested trainers to join in order for it to thrive and survive. So we would advise anyone with an interest in surgical education or training to join the faculty today.